Wait a second, it's already cute as hell. Ah!
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video I'm transforming myself into a Y2K early 2000s baddie. Hopefully, because you know me, it's just vibes. I'm just gonna try. My friend is having her 30th birthday party tonight, and I want to do my hair. Like, I don't want to pop out with a regular old puff. I want to like get into the theme for real. So I have my outfit and I have an idea for this hair without actually having to wash it and detangle it and do all of that, because so we have a wash and go. It is maybe 5 days, 6 days old, so it's pretty on its last leg for the most part. We still have some definition, and it's softish, but I used a very crunchy gel, so it feels very hard and tough to the touch. But we're gonna just use some water, some mousse, some gel, and we're gonna try to finesse and make this actually like wearable without having to do my hair all over again. So I have my products, and then I have some butterfly clips. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. I know that once I like start, you know, playing with it, we'll get her back alive, and you know what I'm saying, like, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But right now, as you can see, it's pretty stuck. I'm using my For My Kinks spray bottle. This is available in my shop. And you can use the code YouTube30. I'll leave it on the screen. And a link down below to get 30% off. The hair is already coming back to life. Back in the day, I used to just take a shower and let the steam and a little bit of water hit my hair. And it would just be like, okay, now I can restyle it. So I'm doing the same thing with this water. So the goal is like 2 buns or 2 puffs, depending on how the curls act. And then butterfly clips and like a swoop bang, not bang, but like a slick down swoop in the front. That's the vision. I wanted to do a zigzag part, but I feel like the swoop would be more recognizable than the zigzag part, but we'll see what happens. I'm a terrible parter, so we're just gonna have to go with the flow. But I think the parts are important for this style, so we're not gonna skimp on them like I usually would. I think I should only leave a little bit of hair out and then use it to flatten, to lay, versus trying to lay all of this, if that makes sense. We'll see how this goes. And then I'm gonna try to do a straight-ish part for the 2 puffs. You can see my hair is shrinking up immediately, like as soon as it got damp. I hope that part looks decent. I'm not gonna really like do too much. Let me get some scrunchies because I forgot my scrunchies. One thing about me, I'm gonna struggle through a hairstyle. This is why I keep stuff simple, because I be struggling. But we're just gonna put that out the way. And then put this out of the way. I saw some really cute styles, like the front was braided back and they would put the clips, and like super cute styles. I just don't have those skills. I cannot braid my hair. I cannot cornrow my hair. I can hardly, barely do a flat twist. So I didn't even attempt anything. So this is the vision. We're gonna have 2 puffs or 2 buns, depending on how it turns out, and this little swoop situation. I'm gonna have to let this dry for a while. That's okay, because it's early. The party is not for several hours, but I needed to do my hair before work, so I didn't have to worry about that. I love when I'm responsible and not rushing. You know what I don't have? Bobby pins. I gotta go scrounge some up. Using Mousse Def by The Dew. I actually use this for the wash and go. So I want to keep, you know, the same products so we don't have any flakes and we don't have any issues. The mousse is doing a good job though. I was a little bit worried how my hair would behave being an old wash and go. I really put the camera on, but this is just how I would be if I was by myself in my bathroom. I would just be talking to myself like, okay, Lexi, how are we gonna do this? I'm actually really happy that I chose this swoop instead of trying to do the zigzags, because I would have been here all day. Okay, this is not bad at all. I think I was too worried, but it's not bad. I just don't want it to go back. So maybe I have to pin it right behind my ear and then pin it a little bit further. So let me go scrounge up some bobby pins. Girl, even better, I found these pins from Scoonchy. I'm gonna go with these, and I'm gonna use the black ones because I have colorful butterfly clips. I don't want to do too much, but we'll see how it turns out. We kind of want to be extra because it is like a theme party and I want to put some effort. So now I'm gonna go in with the Big Papa gel from the Dew, and it's a very thick gel. I feel like I would use this more for styling like this versus wash and go because it's so thick. It did have my hair defined, it just had the hair crunchy, and I wasn't a huge fan of the crunch. I'm gonna put this behind my ear. Don't want to go too far back. I'm gonna put the pin right there. I probably could use gold. No, I'm just gonna do black for now because I just don't want it to clash with the butterfly clips. So I'm gonna wear gold jewelry. Even though silver was a thing in the Y2K era, I don't have silver. I don't have a lick of silver jewelry. So, and I'm just gonna take this piece of hair and just pin it, clip it back here. Can't believe it goes all the way around. Hopefully it'll stay just for right now. One more clip right here so it stops moving. I put some clips right here just to hold it, and we're gonna work on the bun. So I think we're moist enough. I think so for sure. And then I'm gonna put a little mousse. The mousse really helps me like shape it because the mousse has a lot of hold. I don't really need to use that much gel when I have this mousse. Gonna add a little bit of gel. I'm really winging it. Then I'm gonna take this scrunchie. This is also from Scoonchy. I'm gonna leave links to everything. I got my hair into the two tight puffs. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. So I think I'm just gonna pull it over up here and then pin it, clip it with these gold clips. I don't know how this looks in the back, but that ain't my problem. That ain't my problem. I don't know what to do, y'all. Ooh, I'm hot in this house with this AC down. Trying to keep the noise down for y'all. And I'm not sure if I want to do buns anymore. I think I'm just gonna do puffs because my hair is shrinking and I think the puff actually might just work. So I'm adding some mousse. Not really, like, I guess to get some curl definition, but I'm not looking for too much definition. I know what I'm working with. The swoop look good. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna, you know, do some more shaping with it after I finish my puffs, but I am not mad at this swoop. And then this puff being loose covers a little bit of loose hair that I had from my swoop that ended up back here. So also happy about that. I think the puffs being out also covers up whatever parting I did. So it's all working out in my favor. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel like on my hands and just scrunch it around the hair. Really, really happy that I was able to morph this wash and go instead of having to start all over again. So that's a huge plus. I'm gonna spray some water just to make the frizziness. I feel like it needs to clump. Something need to clump together. All right. Anyways, let's work on the edges. This red one, edge control, for me, whew, I really like it. And y'all see, I'm doing just a little simple one too. And we all know the most important part is the scarf. So I'm gonna lay it down when I finish. Putting some edge control on the front just to flatten it. Make that bad boy lay and reclip. Yep, that's it. You wanna be extra, you can put some hair out. I'm not doing that because I'm not doing that. Let me get my scarf and then we'll play with the butterfly clips. Ah, it's working out. Before I put on my scarf, this is what we're looking like up close, some texture shots. I think it looks really good. I'm excited. Gotta make sure I get up under here to make sure it's flat. And then I'm gonna make sure that I open it in the back a little bit to also flatten the back, you know? And then we're gonna just tie it. I'm gonna tie it up here to encourage it to be flat up here. So I'm gonna be like this the rest of the day. So I know it's dry and it's like set and everything. Here are my butterfly clips, y'all. Terrible way to show them, I think, but this is them. And I will definitely end this video with the full fit because y'all gotta see the look when it comes together. Like for real, you need to see it. So this is the color of the outfit. I know. Obviously these pink ones and then maybe the darker pink ones. Or I could do the blue. But let's play around with it. And I'm just gonna clip them in. I feel like with my hair, it's not gonna have a hard time because it's gonna just like stay. It's also giving like festival hair. Oh, it's already cute as hell. Wait a second, it's already cute as hell. Ah, I love it. And I love the colors that I picked for this. I think it's adorable. The color scheme is low-key giving gender reveal. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some of these darker pinky ones and put them in the back because we don't want the back to be naked. A few hours have passed and it's time to beat my face. So let's take out this pimple patch. Basic foundation, basic everything else, but long lasting. And I'll link everything down below. Okay, the face, we're taking it. It's taking it there. I use the Warriors palette by Juvia's Place just to put some shimmer on my eyes. I'm not gonna go crazy because I feel like Y2K Makeup, super simple, but also like shimmer, glow. So if I had the energy, I would do like a glossy lid, but glossy lid kind of scares me. So I'm just gonna pack on some shimmery shadows all over the lid, and I'm just gonna add a darker shimmer just so it's not making me uncomfortable. So I'm gonna put some of this bronze shimmery shade on the outside just to mute it because of my skin tone. I don't want it to be so jarring. I'll be back with like the final look. Oh. Okay, it's been several hours. It's nighttime now. I'm dressed. Let's take off. Yep. I'm so excited. It looks great. It's exactly what I was going for. You can see the hair kind of shrunk up and fully dry. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna put some pictures and videos of my full fit because I can't get it on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.